Hey guys, it's Decelation, and today we're working on the Factory 5 hot rod truck. We're gonna work on the brake pedal box and get that installed and get the master cylinders installed as well. And if we still have time, we'll continue going and see where we go. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, you guys watch me just put together the entire brake pedal assembly and put it into the car. Kind of little notes, things of note that I want to put out. Just when you're trying to put this in, you probably saw it tells you to put this pedal on, but if you put the steering wheel column on first, you need to take this pedal off. So just know that, because you're not gonna fit it through these little cracks. Yeah, other than that, it was pretty straightforward. The kit comes with one brake fluid reservoir, and it tells you can either use one with a Y or you can use two. And I think I'm just gonna go with two. I ordered a two one. I'm waiting for it to come in. That's why this part hasn't been done yet. But I found this really cool two one. It's like 2-in-1. Uses integrated bracket and everything. So hopefully it'll clean that look up. But all right, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like the video, comment down below, like it, hit the subscribe button. Again, thank you guys for everything that you guys do. So have a good one. Peace.